Today, we are going to talk about 5 online typing jobs that you can do with no skill and earn more money with that. You can start today. Then, I don't want to waste your time, so let's see what they are. Today our first website, we have ModSquad.com. And with ModSquad.com you're going to be doing content moderation. Now what is content moderation? Content moderation is basically a job where you help make sure that the things people post online are okay for everyone to see. Sometimes people might post mean or even inappropriate things, and it's your job to flag those comments so they can be taken down. You might also have to make sure that the content that people post is accurate and not spammy. You could be doing anything from managing posts in a form to even reading through chat logs and Discord. There's also other services like, for example, customer support, trust and safety, community management and things like that. So, you have to go ahead and scroll to the middle of the page, where you can see the Apply Today button right there. Click on it and answer all the questions and then join. Best thing is, ModSquad is available for worldwide. Our next website to earn some money, with just by typing with your keyboard, is going to be called the TextRoyal.com. With these, guys, you're going to be doing general freelance writing and a bunch of different freelance writing gigs. For example, you can help someone write an article for their own website, write social media posts and even write academic papers, essays and many more. This right here is TextRoyal's website, although it's easy to apply. Right here, click on the apply and then you can join. Guys, you can see that some extra info. That's super important, is that you're getting paid per word that you do on these projects, and it says you can earn up to 3 cents per word. Something to know is that you're not going to start off with that 3 cents per word rate though, you need to work up from 1 cent per word actually. And maintain a relatively good score with them, for about a couple of projects, until they finally upgrade you to the other projects to work on. So this is something that you definitely need to be consistent about, and make sure you maintain good quality in your writings. Next one is going to be a really good one. It's LifePoints with the LifePoints panel. So this was actually an app you can install on your Android devices or your iPhones. The great thing I like about this thing is that because it's specifically an app, you're going to be able to do all this stuff on the go. So you don't have to log into your computer or anything. You could literally be doing this stuff on your couch with your mobile. If you wanted to, this is the app on the Google Play Store. Look, it has 1 million downloads and a fantastic 4.4-star review. But on their website, you can see here, they will give you free LifePoints with sign up to get your earnings going. You can cash out through PayPal or Amazon gift cards and stuff. And people on Trustpilot even like this company too. So guys, I can't get too much into detail about LifePoints because I'm pretty sure the time devoted to this website is running up, but definitely give it a shot if you're interested. As our fourth online typing job, we have Axion Data. This one is also, you guys can do from home. Let me explain the basics of this job, okay? So with Axion Data, you're going to be doing data entry with them. What does that mean? Well, you're pretty much using your keyboard to input data. Data entry, and it can range from doing a bunch of different tasks, just using your keyboard. That's where Axion Data can come in. So, Axion Data, they are a company that provides this data entry service to other companies, but their main page is not where you actually want to sign up. You should actually go down below of this page. Right here, click on this employment button. And then, you can apply here for a job. You can see some specifications about the kind of work that you'll be doing with them. You will be an independent contractor. So, your work is going to be flexible and you are self-employed. But getting a paycheck from this company, and it specifies that compensation is a flat rate, per document or per entry that you do. What that pretty much means is that you're getting paid per result. So, Pretty much the faster that you work, the more money that you're going to be able to earn with this platform. Our last online side hustle opportunity you can earn some money with, it's gonna be called MyPoints. So, as you could probably tell already, this one's going to be a little bit similar to LifePoints. But, the thing I really like about this one is that, they'll even give you a straight up $5 gift card bonus when you sign up, and you confirm your account. That's probably one of the biggest sign up bonuses I've seen on one of these websites before. It's pretty huge, and similarly to LifePoints, you're going to be able to answer questionnaires and questions that will help you rack up these points to eventually cash them out in the end. They also do have a mobile app you can install on your phone. But, personally for me, I think it kind of sucks. So, I would stick to using their website. You can go ahead and sign up to the MyPoints website right here. Enter your original email address. Create a strong new password, and then agree with their privacy policy, and after you can join. So guys, that's it for today's folks. Please make sure subscribe to the channel. Then, see you in the next video, Money Access family. Thank you for watching.